Yeah, I started recording. Let me go there. Sorry. So yesterday we gone through inheritance. I will recap about inheritance. This is one of important object-oriented programming. So inheritance is the mechanism of deriving a new class from existing class. So that means if you already in real time, so we'll have like situation where you need to derive or maintain some group of classes, like if you have a vehicle, car, and then if you have a sedan, and then truck, or house, a house related group of different classes we have to maintain. So in that scenario, so we need to define one parent class as a as a like for common properties for a parent class you can define, and then you can actually define multiple subclass and extend that parent class. So then the advantage is we can reuse the parent class properties into subclass. So that is advantage. So here in this example, right, so one of the simple example, employee salary, employee is the common, right? So employee salary, employee can have the salary, and we can actually kind of multiple employee types, programmer, and then manager, admin, then multiple employee roles. So you can extend the employee and use the same salary, or override that. And other example what we saw, like vehicle example, yeah, I will run the programs today. So what is the advantage of inheritance? Advantage of inheritance is code reusability. So because we can reuse the properties of parent class, and there is a method overriding, there is a method overriding concept. I will talk about this method overriding in next topic today only. Okay. So and then the syntax, how we can extend or inherit parent class as we saw yesterday. So subclass can extend parent class, which is superclass, or we can call either superclass or parent class. So and then methods and fields we can reuse whatever the from parent class. So yesterday example which I ran, let me open. So the example which I ran, we took some house class. This. So we took some house class, which has some properties like number of rooms or something, and then single. So this house class has two properties, which are type of the house and the number of rooms. Okay, so and then single family. So single family class has, so usually we should not put type here. Let's say house can have color, or what are the other properties like house, not number of rooms is good, and what else can have. So I can put house boolean, I can say boolean, private boolean. So not garage, is what we call balcony, like something, right? So is a deck. So the house has deck or not, I can put true. So all the houses, and this we can use in subclasses. So usually house can have deck, for any take, if we have, so default we can put as true or false, and we can reuse that property in subclasses. This is also a good example. So now this is a parent class houses, and subclass is single family home, which extends house class, and subclass has a square root sorry square foot is a property, and we can actually so this class now has three properties: square foot, the parent two properties from the parent class, which is each deck and a number of rooms. And we can actually use all the three, we can display all the three properties from of the subclass, whatever two properties derived from the parent class and one is in the subclass. So that is about inheritance, simple inheritance. Let me remove this. So I'm running this program. So it says type of home. No, it is not type of home. My system is slow. So while this is processing, let me go to this diagram, this document. So this there are five types as we saw yesterday. Single inheritance class. If one class inherit from other class, it is called single inheritance, or simple also you can say single or simple inheritance. So multi-level is if one class extends or inherit from other class, and the class extends from another class, is called multi-level. So hierarchical is if two subclass extends from parent class, it is called hierarchical. And multiple, if one class have two parent classes, then it's called multiple. And hybrid is a combination of hierarchical and multiple. So this hybrid and multiple Java doesn't support with classes. So because as I told yesterday, there is an ambiguity problem will come if one common property is there in class A, which is derived into class B and class C, and this class D get confused which common property of class B or class C it has to derive. So that's why this get confused. So these two are not possible in Java with classes. And example of inheritance simple, I'm running the program now. Now after this I will show you the example of the multi-level. Okay, and I'll show you the example of hierarchical. So this will end up the inheritance tutorial. So now, so this one right here, a single family home. Let me print these values. So here it is type of. Yeah, this will display all three properties. This simple inheritance. So I will now use example for multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance. Let's take example of car class. Okay, here already I have a car class. So where no, this is not this interface basically. So let me go here. Van. So mini SUV car. Did I already put mini? So let me create one more class
We
here.
we create yesterday home, right?
No,
Yes,
single.
we created house already.
Yeah, house. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, house I created, and a single family is another basically class. So what and now multi-level, right? I have to derive one more subclass for the single family. I'm thinking like I can use car example or vehicle car example instead of this, because there is no scope for multi-level, right? Like subclass. So house, let me think. Okay, house. Yeah, I think I can go for a car class for multi-level, like same example. Let me think. Okay, let me put the same example. So simple inheritance, you got it, right? Simple inheritance is very straightforward. If one class extends another class, it's called simple. And multi-level, so this example I can take. So there is a vehicle class. I can just walk you through. You can practice the program, or if you want, I will. You want me practice show this program how it works?
Hmm?
Can I run the program,
Uh,
or
I can
you will practice?
Chandra.
Yes, yes.
What do you ask?
No, the question is,
Yeah.
so this one, right? Simple inheritance. I showed you, and you got it right. Simple inheritance. Simple inheritance, nothing but. Are you able to hear
Yes.
me? You both?
I do hear you, but my question is like when I'm using simple, right? Simple is like basically you taking from one and then extending to the other one, right?
Yes,
Applying to the next one. But when
yes.
you doing multi, like the father and grandfather and things like that, do we need to do twice extend or just only one time will
Yeah,
be fine?
only one here in this example, right? Vehicle is the class, and vehicle has two properties: type and number of wheels. Okay, and car class extends a vehicle. So now car class has three properties. Color is from car class, and type and number of wheels from vehicle. Now here mini Cooper or mini car extends car class. Okay, and this one has number of seats. So now this is the multi-level. Here is multi-level applies.
So every time when you define different one, like because from one to each other, you are in extends.
Yes. So Java
Like
will not allow to extend more than one class. We can't do that. We cannot do that because
so why do you have tools here on the bottom?
yes, this one will not support, right? This
No,
inheritance.
no, I mean like when you go to the example,
Hmm.
the multi-level example you gave now
Hmm.
about the cars,
Hmm.
you see using extends and extend twice.
Hmm.
Vehicle, right? Vehicle, string type sedan, and then you go car extends vehicle, the color, and
Correct.
then mini car extends again, use twice extends, right?
Correct.
Is that
Correct.
because
So now here
multi-level?
the
Oh,
here
it's
the
just because.
yeah, yeah, here the hierarchy. Yeah, I'll tell you. Here the hierarchies. Vehicle. Okay. Vehicle extends vehicle inherit into car class. Okay, and now
Okay.
car is another car actually has child class of mini car. Now in this hierarchy, vehicle is the super parent, car is parent, and mini car is a child. Multi-level, the same as here, same as this one. Class A, class B, class C. Okay.
So from class A to B or C, you need to put from one to take to other one. You have to add extend. I'm technically this is a kind of technical question. I'm asking you like we had to use it like oh I want it to be inherent from the child to inherit from dad. I added extend, and from the dad to the grandfather and another extend, right?
Yes, that's correct. That's correct. Yes,
Perfect. And the multi-level is the same. You keep adding extents, right?
yes, yes. Yes. That's correct.
Okay,
Your understanding is correct. I will run this program and show you. Okay.
perfect. Mhm.
Yeah. So let me put this one.
Chandra,
Yes.
Chandra,
Yes.
you have multi-level and then the hierarchy, right? So basically, the kind of upside down way of like in the diagram you showed. So
Yeah. Yeah.
okay, so
Actually,
why is that hierarchical is like easy to use in Java, and no multi-level, the other one. How do you call multiply? Multiply, you said the other one.
multi-level.
Yeah, don't use it.
Okay,
So
multiple. Okay, this one.
multiple,
Okay.
exactly.
Yeah.
Multiple in hierarchies, they have basically the diagram is upside down, right? So why is that like multiple is very hard, not usable on Java most of the time, and hierarchical is yes because anyway, A B C and S, this one is like C B A, right?
Correct.
I'm talking
Correct.
about. So why is that like hierarchical is okay, but multiple is not?
Hierarchical is okay, multiple is not, because here, so from one parent it will derive, like, think of these arrow symbols the other way, like, so this one, right, class A, this class B and class C has only one parent.
So you take him from one place. That's why it doesn't confuse. Is that what it is?
Correct. Is that correct? That's
This
correct.
one is because they're taking, where does that come from? Inheriting from two places. That's
Correct.
make confusion. I see.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. That's correct.
Okay. Just to make sure. Yeah.
Yes. Your understanding is correct. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So now let me export this. I'll run in different workspace here. System. Yeah, it's stuck up. Oh, just give me. System today, I don't know. I need to restart this. Workspace is okay, but why this one? Okay. Yeah, I think now it's okay. Let me create. So I'm creating one new class, which is vehicle class. I put the same properties of here, which is type and the number of wheels. Okay, so now this one has to, I created one vehicle class. I'm going to create first child, okay, which is car class. And then I'll extend the vehicle. Now this car class, I'm extending vehicle. Okay, now from vehicle, these already inherited two properties. I'm going to declare one more property in car class, which is color. So this I'm going to add setter and getter methods for getting the data. This is a good practice to follow, and in real time also we always follow this. I'll talk more on the private, so private and public what it is in next coming topics. So this I created one car class extends vehicle. Now this car class has three properties: color and two properties from vehicle. So that is car class. This is the first child, and second grandchildren. I'm going to create a grandchildren class which is mini car. Mini car I'm going to create now. So mini car, and now this is the grandchildren. So I extend car class. So now this has some public, like I will declare one of the property which is the number of seats. So mini car has two seats only. So I will add getters and setters. And now, so what I did, I created a vehicle class, which is the type and number of wheels, which has these two properties. And then car class I created. Car class is the first child of a vehicle, so that is why extends the vehicle. I put it here, and this one has color property. And there is one more class which is mini car. Mini car extends car class. So now mini car has four properties: number of seats from the mini car, and that one property from car which is number of the color, and the two properties from vehicle. Okay, so total four properties it will have. You get it what I'm saying here, Salem and you?
Yeah, I got it. My question, another question I have is like, is that has to be like immediately, or it doesn't matter the order?
It doesn't
From-
matter, it will extend from n levels. So now this mini car can derive the properties of type and number of wheels, which is not immediate class,
Immediate, yeah.
right? So it is from one level above, but still it will derive. Now I'll show you how it will derive. Okay, what I'm
Okay.
going to do, I'm going to create a mini car instance or mini car object, and I will see what are the properties it will access. Okay, so now I'm
Okay.
going to create one more class for testing this behavior. Okay, so this is multi level inheritance. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one public main method. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a mini car class, which is grandchildren. Mini car object I'm creating now. So this from grandchildren. Now I'll try to access all the four properties. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you look at right, if you observe closely this, there are like four properties. Get color from car class, it is showing. Number of seats from mini car. And there are two properties from vehicle. Get number of wheels and get type. If you look at here, right next to the property, it shows from which class it is deriving. So the total properties, one from get number of seats from mini car, and get color from car, and get number of wheels and get type from vehicle class. So total four properties available. Do you get this point? You both are clear?
Yeah. So which one we select which one?
Sorry, can you come again?
Yeah. Now we get many choices right here.
Yes, yes, yeah, correct.
Yeah. So from those choices, so which one we're gonna select now?
Can,
It's,
can you speak a
we are
little
doing
louder?
only mini.
Today I don't use headphones.
Okay. Now we are working on mini car, right?
Yes, yes.
So from the mini car, now we get so many choices. So we're gonna select the from the mini car or car vehicle or which type. Now
So
we got
I'm
choices
going to
right here.
put all four properties from, and I'll going to
Oh,
show you like.
okay.
So what I'm trying to explain, right? So mini car has all these four available four properties.
Choices. Yeah.
Yeah. So these all come from interface in inheritance, right? This car actually the parent class, and this is a grandparent, right?
Okay.
Vehicle.
Yeah.
This is really cool because it gives you the choice what to take from the inheritance.
Yes. Yes.
Wow. So I don't have to really take everything. I choose what I want.
Correct. That's correct.
Perfect. I love
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. Yeah. So now I'm going to print like all the four. You can choose whatever you want. Correct. Yeah. So these two from grandparent.
Is that only for multi-level or for also any of the other? We can do that.
Can you come again?
Is this like give you a choice, like multiple choice, right? Which one to choose? So is that only for hierarchy or on, if also, this is multi-level actually. It's okay.
Yeah, it is for multi-level only. Correct. That's correct.
Okay, for multi-level. Okay, okay.
Hierarchical, it will give only one parent class option, right? Yeah, I'm going to explain hierarchical
Of
after this.
one.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, yes. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm a kind of thinking loud person.
Yeah, no problem. You can think. That's good always.
When I talk, I understand more.
Yeah. That's correct. That's correct. Yeah.
Okay.
So from parent class, what else? Parent class color, I think.
Thank you. That makes very clear.
Yeah,
The note you're writing. Yeah.
yeah. So now from this Mini Cooper, number of yeah, let's run this program. So I got all like data from this like parent and grandparent class. Yeah. So this is the example for multi-level. Okay, I will show for hierarchical. So hierarchical example, the document if you see hierarchical, right? Vehicle is the one class which already we have, which has number of wheels, and sedan car. Sedan car if you take like which extends the vehicle class, and it has color, and then mini car. If you take mini car, so here the relationship is different. Like sedan and mini car, both extends vehicle here in this case. Earlier, in a multi-level, it was different hierarchy. Like if you observe multi-level, so
You didn't use extend and multi-level, right?
yes, yes. So
So
here hierarchical
you
is
don't need to use?
sorry.
Why you didn't use and multi-level extends?
I use right multi-level. This is the multi-level. All these is I think you already got it right, multi-level. So
Okay.
extends I use it.
Use extends.
So
Okay.
this to this and this to this like that. Okay. So mini car to vehicle. That is multi-level. Okay.
Okay.
And now this hierarchical is two hierarchical. What is the relationship? If you look at the diagram, remember always this diagram. Okay. Keep in mind. The multi-level, this one to this one to this, right? Hierarchical, two child classes to one parent class.
So
Right?
you can have like the A will be the parent,
Hmm.
any car, let's say Toyota. This can be like Corona and another car,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Children
I
can.
took this example. You can apply any example. The concept you need to understand, Salem. That's important. Okay. So here, right? Hierarchical vehicle class has number of wheels, and sedan car and mini car both extend same parent vehicle here in this example. Sedan car and mini car both extend same parent. So and then this will sedan car will get the property of number of wheels. This will have two properties. So one from number of wheels, another one from the same class. This mini car has also two properties, one from parent class and other from the same class. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is example of hierarchical, and you can practice this. Okay, in your home, like when you're working on this inheritance exercise.
Mhm.
Okay.
They don't share from each other directly to the parents.
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
Uh, let me ask something
Hmm.
now for clarification. Now, for example, we have vehicle, right? Vehicle is number of wheels are common for those uh, sand car and mini car. That's
Yes.
cool.
It is.
And
It is now common. Only it is common. Like Yeah. Correct.
yeah,
That's correct. So now here, what I did, I put like number of wheels in here, and it derived into the same property into the same two class B and class C.
okay. Yeah.
And
So now,
after that I don't want to extend this one, like if I extend to same class, then this problem will occur, right? If you observe these two diagrams, this is some extension here, like this part.
mhm,
This will not allow
multiple.
Java, like one class you can't extend. So let's try do something like in my earlier example. Let's try to extend. Okay, let's try to One second. Okay, this one, right? Okay, this is my earlier example. So what we'll do, we'll try to extend, like, let's take car class. We'll try to extend another class. Okay, so which is any other class. Here I have some class linked list, like some student class, right? Let's try to extend one more class. Okay, here it will not allow Java because Java doesn't support extending more than one class. Okay, you can't do that in Java. So the same way, if you allow, like, here to extend, basically, like, the diagram, where is the diagram? Okay, here. So number of fields is inherited into these two classes, and if you allow to extend these two into some subclass, and if you allow the subclass to extend these two classes, then it will give the hybrid inheritance. It will become a hybrid inheritance, and it will give the ambiguity problem. Okay.
Okay, so we are not using, right, the inheritance. Yeah.
We are using inheritance. Okay, so inheritance. Okay, your question is, what is the purpose of inheritance? Okay, so now, right, in this example, so now my sedan car has only one property, which is color, but there is one more property, number of fields, coming from the vehicle class, right? It is inheritance only. See, look at
Yeah.
this one. Mini car instance is created here. Okay, and now mini car object, they are printing two values, number of wheels and number of seats. So these number of wheels come from the parent class, which is inheritance. Here inheritance applies. You get it, what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And here also, from sedan car, here inside inheritance apply. Yeah. You practice this. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
This
Yeah.
this meeting is ending in less than 1 minute. I will send you a new one now. Okay, both.
Did you record it?
This I'll record now. New meeting invite
Okay.
I'll send you 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.